Outdoor enenam woman Ghana mu na baako a edi atrenchie pa eye yenua eye Kwame A+. De yakoba ye huhu ene se wa ne obi akwakodi nkomo na nkomo a wodi wieye no se hwan ne liki yo se hwan ne liki yo afi de eda bontem obi a etie bi. Deputy Director General Emma eye CID woman Ghana mu meche Criminal Investigation Department of the Ghana Police. Penimpa ACP Mame ya tiwa Addo Dankwah ena chese Kwame A+ ne di nkomo abra na yesi A+ akobọ mpanimfo bi sobo secretary se ne program mampani hwe ano pe wo mo edi mu atrantwie wo ho eno nam so ama sa nkomo a ye ka se A+ ya che no yani ntie kwa kohwe na afa police abisa ne nsem no A+ ne Mame di nkomo a ema ebi kokogu phone so se de record ya na eno ena say apiafa ho a etene ene wona mo manfo kra de ringtone acha say ebi tietie bia na se de asi etene no Mame ACP Mame ya tiwa Addo Dankwah acha say A+ egu nanim asepa wo se eye ne ya pa se no ani adwembo ne ma A+ na A+ etumi afa kwan etise so pese wodi abo begu ne gare so kinsa wo bedi nkankate na wo pe na abo de A+ so de begum sa ye den tese wo se bebi a wakoa posi adwuma mu wakoa kwakodri na A+ so ye ne sa wadwen she can't think far asem no ahye no na yentie nkoma one star for ediye ebi.
I just want to set the record straight that I actually had a conversation with A+ because in his verbal narration he had denied the allegation of TV against the two deputy chiefs of staff. But when I reviewed the docket, when the investigator brought the docket and I reviewed it, I realized that the denial was not reflected in his written statement. I then called him back to come back and put it in on record so that we have it documented that the TV allegation was denied by him. Apparently, he recorded my voice and that conversation lasted for 56 seconds. And the records are there. We can always check from MTN the number of seconds that I spoke to him. All the other things that were added were his own calculated imagination in his attempt to destroy my hard-earned reputation. Let me also add that when you investigate a case and you don't find evidence, you don't create it. That would be unprofessional. Not because somebody says it is allegation, it is corruption, you must by all means conclude that it is corruption. I still stand by the conclusion that we came out earlier on that the allegation was baseless. It lacked credibility, and it wasn't even worth wasting time on. In his opinion, corruption, his definition of corruption is not the law. The corruption as stated in Criminal Offences Act is stated clearly, and everybody must go and read. I think it is his own imagination just to destroy my heart. And add that after the report was released on Monday, he called me on Tuesday morning and wanted to find out why the allegation, we concluded that the allegation was baseless. And I explained to him, I even had to read part of the Criminal Offences Act to him on phone. And he said he was going to have a press conference. And I advised him that before you do, let a lawyer speak to a lawyer, let a lawyer school you about evidence. Then that was it.
I make sure, sir, Kwame A+ episode good animasi. Na eduwebi kra ma A+ ka se obe blackmail no se so nti hu ne sad na ye blackmail. Nya se Kwame A+, open white shirt, pardon one white mail not blackmail. How could you, Kwame? Kwaja asare ba fo champion kaba. Any A+ edi nkomo anwumre. Any A+ so nkyere ndim.
There is not a single person or ya above the law, Kroma. Me di masemba ya no. Yese me nkofa evidence mra. Police for ye hwehwem wie ya no mo se me evidence no. Me as I'm kind of baseless yembongu. And you have a Deputy Director General CID accusing me of doctoring her voice on any evidence when Director General accusing Crawford no hear evidence what can't man, but on no to me accuse you without evidence. No evidence or what's the voice no asam na what no ya doctor. It is possible. It is very, very possible. Yet the Roman here should be with TV so a friend just like you. And go for Casa said in Anado, Obi Casa said Rollins, Obi Casa said, say, and you know, it is possible. And the technology, a booby, It is possible. So be to me, I hear voice man I to say will be. And so if you have heard a voice and you are one case I would say a yawo, name your doctor. Now who accusing me say me my doctor voice. How do you draw? Who may make some? Who will be some evidence? The statement by Bontin say a baseless, and then you can make accusations when you don't have evidence.